Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl, AB World Entertainment. My people, na another matter. I can carry us come outside today, my people. We still did the matter of Sister Felicia Okmonwa and Sister Rita Ayemiomo. So, yesterday, I uploaded a video about Rita Ayemie, where she talk say her sister, not dey let her drink water, they drop cup. So my people, now I come say okay, make I go look for wetin dey happen. Now so I take lis ten to the whole conversation. Now I come across the sister video. So now I say okay, make I just bring am come give una make una understand where how the matter take sup. Rita talk say Felicia Ukmonwan dey solo her, no dey let her drink water drop cup. Say anywhere where they for the disgwangwan her sister dey like to dey sit down for that kind place. My people, wetin come happen at the end? Na the her sister wey dem dey call Felicia come talk say e no dey where they for dey beat you. Na iyeki 1 billion dem dey celebrate. The way Kate take do the celebration, e group the whole thing together. He do small saga, he celebrate birthday, he celebrate 16 years anniversary. So may you no reason am to yourself say na because say person dey insult you, na make him go say continue like this. He say the Kate and Iyeki have been having some banamish for the past how many years. So they just newly finish their banamish, they just start to dey follow each other again. So yesterday na be Iyeki 16 years anniversary. That was the day before yesterday. Na make he come celebrate. As Kate dey celebrate Iyeki, he come tell Kate say, if you continue like this, I will love you. My people, now just little misunderstanding. Now understand the whole thing where I take explain now. Now just little misunderstanding. Na him cause am because now little saga, little birthday, and 16 years anniversary. Now he did the Sandra Agbogun birthday join everything. So now so the whole matter takes up my country people. Before you know wetin dey happen, e don escalate to another something where e dey for inside abule my country people. So how e come take play, na I say make I let una know say see wetin dey happen, no say e don turn another something again. You understand? So na misunderstanding na cause all this balaba. So now so we see the whole matter. Okay, my people, I know what to say. I will want make una listen to the full conversation. I beg if you are just watching for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Please, after watching, subscribe and on your notification bell so that anytime I upload, you'll be the first to be notified that I just uploaded a new video. By doing so, God bless you. To my new subscriber, you all are welcome. And to my returnees, may God Almighty bless you all for me in Jesus' name. So my people, and so we see the matter we did for inside Abule. Now I make a carry and come give una make una come see here Felicia own version of the story. And these people, they be first cousin, not be distance cousin, not be friends. They are the same cousin. Happy view, guys. Share this video. Thank you. Share the video, share the video. Yeah, what can I go let me know? But what that pagiri keke saga, no good. Me, I don't like saga. You get wetin person dey be pass. I don't like saga at all. Not be my, dey my line at all. Now wetin I not just like, but don't provoke me. Now let that one want to tell you. Not provoke me. Wetin I not do not put that for my head. One person say me do that video. Which that video? Now don't see me say me they do for that video or they use fake account say they follow person for social media. I get my own account, Felicia Mama. I don't say you Queenette for your page message. Okay now. I'll check her later. Thank you so much. So we resemble each other. The network just went off. That is why the video just cut. So I don't go check the network now. It's okay now. Saga not be your mate, oh. Hey. Osanira me. Osanira me. Emi aga logo ma na wana sioma. Ana wana sioma. Saga not be your mate. Back off. I dey tell you. Just back up. God forbid. I no fit follow my sister do saga. She fit dey do her saga for that side. I no fit follow and do saga. And to start with, she's too small for me to do saga with. I'm not her mate. Yes. I'm telling you, Paige. I'm not her mate. I'm not her mate. Say I go write congratulations and they celebrate. Now that one be insult. Did I insult her? Ogwon Belugwa. If I cinema and bena ni talking now, una dey grace. Person they do anniversary. Anybody where they celebrate Monica yesterday, now go they write happy anniversary through. Una not see my comments, man. I go subscribe and comment. What pay internet even me. I been not they pay my light bill for Europe. Una dey grace. Now so after they push people for wahala. Do you see me insulting her? What did they do now? Anybody that push her to come on social media to insult me or to talk to me,
The person go use the hair take carry am. Me, she too small for me when me call the beef for social media. To start with, we are not friends. Me and she, we are not friends. We are family. We are not friends. Now house, now face each other. We are not just only house where we face each other. We are one family. So, for me to come out on social media, pointing finger to my family, it's not fair. This is not the first time she's doing it. Oh. You all know. Una where they write that nonsense, now men are listening to me. This is not the first time she's doing it. Men are call her sit down say, a family of my man I don't agree social media. Men are call her sit down. She una know. Not be the first time, not be the second time when she do insult me for her live video. I never come out to answer her. But at the time I when Jackie was beating me for good 2 years, you never come to come out and say, Iyeki, stop. Now my sister is insult. No one in that video when you be Jackie, man. You never do that. Then now, because you want to get your viewers on video, then you want to start making problem with Jackie because he insulted your family. When somebody insults you and say, I'm sorry for what I did, what else do you want for that person? Anytime I comment on Iyeki platform, their fans go they insult me. Iyeki was doing anniversary yesterday. I celebrated Iyeki. What is your problem? What is your problem? Now go tell me who I go they watch for my live video. Now go they give me condition for who I go they watch for my live video. He never reach. Who are they call? This person where they call me so. I beg my sister, you know I love you so much. I'll be complaining to you this problem. You never do anything to this problem. I be one Là, we go in a video, he call him a messenger. My sister, I'll be reporting this problem to you. Oh, anything, man. Larry, mama, my sister, I'll be reporting this problem to you. You know, you are aware of everything. But if she not stay an opposition, I will take my step. You understand? I'm more good. It's enough, my sister. Let me continue my video. I call her and say, my sister, this guy you are about to do on social media, I don't like it. You are doing your hookup. Stay on your lane. Hey, Monica Tebonina call Monica. She said, okay, when Monica is like, now we are with Monica is like, when you phone over at Monica. Ina ye phone over at Monica, na Monica. La wo go vision no. Wage igui. Monica na we. Omana Teboni, you have Tebone. She was listening to what Monica was saying. You understand? Omana Teboni, yeah. You have Tebone. Men are listening to me. Because all of you now call the judge later say, now she they talk lie, now she they do enemy. As a mere, if there is any voice records, play it. Play it. I order you to play it. You understand? So, I can't put Monica for line. Monica, she called the listen to Monica, but Monica not hear what she they talk. And Monica no gamba. Ona wa beta where my sister, she never play this way she do. Now she define my trouble. May you sit and say me she not define my trouble again. You know Monica where say she waga agree. Ona we agree. Now I tell her say you hear what Monica they talk. Back off. Never you near Monica territory again. She can say she hear. On my say 3 days ago, ona igbe I feel look Monica. Me I want peace. That is why I call you a Monica and say you understand? I don't know what she wants from me, Rita. Rita, I'm begging you. Please leave me alone. Rita, another thing I have to tell you. Ekenati Owane ati ode. Never you bring family issue to Facebook. And if you bring family issue to Facebook, Ogatonbe, back off. Back off. You know, I know they find trouble. No put life for my head. Remember, okay. You understand? No put life for my head. Remember, okay. Follow me on this space, guys. I will be updating you guys. No, nowhere. Oh. You understand? I'll be warning her. My sister, you come this live video with hookup. Face your hookup. Don't come out and say because you want to fight for your uncle. Your uncle have already accept Monica apologize. So you don't have that right to be coming because of your uncle to Nuya Aloge Monica. No, don't fight for me. I'm adult. Don't fight for me. I'm adult. Don't fight for me. Don't fight for me. I'm adult. I did not send anybody to come and fight for me. I did not send anybody to come and fight for me. If I want to fight Monica, I come out on my platform and fight Monica. Years ago, I come out for her. Oh, mama, agree. I'm not settled. I'm taking Monica today. E Monica jime e mani melelekia. E Monica jime hewe e meso ema. Monica open my eyes to see who is my friend, who is not my friend. Monica opened my eyes to know many people, many gang I was moving with, they are not people, they are devil. What are you talking about? I say Monica we may. You don't know. I say Monica we may. That is why I love her. Were we the stars in there, Monica? Is it your money? Is it your money? What did they call you this, Gwagwa? Why are they jealous of Rita? She's my younger sister. She's my younger sister. I can't jealous of her. I'm not jealous of her. I'm not jealous of her. I don't say her family. You know they crazy, you know they mad. What is their family what want sell them for? What is their family what want sell them for? If person just come out for social media, call they talk loud, no, just they believe. What is their family what want sell them for? That is my question. Which secret did that family when we can't talk for social media? Now don't see me they talk of Rita matter for social media. Eh? I cannot tell one, I tell there. Be careful of what you do on social media. You have come out for me many times, throwing words to me. I never answer you. I never answer you. I'm here to tell you today, we are family. Stop that. I get better here now. Stop it. Don't come. The bone. I'm just telling you from my mouth, from my heart. Back off. Saga not be your mate. Back off. Saga not be your mate too. I never make comments against my sister. If you see any comment I make against my sister, so Chris, shut it and post it. You understand? Now celebration celebrate Monica yesterday. Now today they come out and they talk to me. Oh wa bien. Saga not be your mate. Back off. Igwa leme. Omoro pa egun megun. Igwa leme ye yato. Igwa leme. Igwa leme. Nobody should tell me not to follow Monica. Nobody they pay my bills for me. If you defeat me, now you go tell me, say, don't follow Monica again. As far as I say you know defeat me, don't do that. Don't do that. They celebrate why I celebrate Monica. Here, wait till I by. It's enough. I will continue to celebrate her. For one simple reason. Now she open my eye to see people when me they part they follow body. Where they call me mommy, mommy, mama, 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 mama. Yeah, be married. Okay. Leave on, leave on, leave on, leave on. Leave on. Leave on. I bet me no insult Rita for you. Tell me that you come and say, me and you not be sister. It's enough for return is anyway. Or sever your knee. Or sever your knee. Rita or sever your knee. Please. Stop it. Ima like e. E jamais do ya we ni ima oni uwe life me. E ni ma oni uwe life me. E jamais ya we. Okay. Any man only who will life event, jamais Yahweh. If you want to see viewers or a sister woman, a senior sister woman, I do Yahweh a live video. It's okay. You can continue. I will never come out on my live video to answer you again. But I'm telling you today should be the last day you talk to me on your live video. Never you talk to me again. Never you talk to me again. Because I never talk to you on my live video. I never talk to you on my live video. I never curse you on my live video. I never use it direct to talk to you on my live video. If people they do video, they comment. If I see say na Rita matter that they talk, I will come up for them. Because wow, family is family. Anywhere therefore they insult you, if I read there, now look at the look, I will come up for them, not they comment. Unless now something as yesterday na kids they celebrate. Monica go there, go they comment. Why I see say the thing, you come the year, be like say na that side they go. I step down, I step out. That is me for you. I beg Monica and even not to insult you again. But you never stay clear from there. I will not hate Monica in my life. Rita, stop having one now. You understand? Stop it. I they tell you all the time. I not be your mate. Stop it. Stop it. You know, not say all the time. I Monica and now Rita the throw what they give me because of Monica. You want to fight for your uncle. When Monica was insulting me, you're supposed to come at that time and start fighting for your uncle. You never do that. You never do that. I am me and you feel correct tomorrow. Tomorrow, if we still settle, the love will still continue. Eh? Sister Sandra, Larry Sandra, I will block you for a year. If you don't know what is happen, I will block you for a year. Why you not tell my sister, say me no they talk my work for a platform. All the time go they talk, go they talk my work for a platform, they throw away mad they give me. Why you not tell her? You dey crazy? What love away? turkey meat wey be say you no fit chop o, and let that one wan tell you. Because here where I respect it, but now. You know when you where ya tell my mama when you be senior. You know man now where or what kind of what you don't do. You don't do. All of na day here now where they want now. You don't do. This not the first time. This not the second time. You don't do. You don't do. Or serve it your knee. Or serve it your knee. When I go start my own, nobody go hold me again. I be like when they use view I say they feed. If you as near when air feeds, you dey craze. James, Sandra and Jace, you are heart of this place. Since you don't know your mates now, you are heart of this place now. Now they clap on for it. I made it they when they talk to family people matter for Facebook. Abi, I go block now. Ijek your wife problem wana. Ijeki. That be no problem. Oh, the money Monica Lobo, aka the leader that leads others follow. AKA shine your shine, AKA big man wife. He on a why problem wana avec commentaires signéré wana na the grace wa meme. May I block Sandra and rest. If I see what is your name or what is let me see this name now. James, Greater James, you are blocked. Get out. Ciao ciao. Thank you, Mommy P. Thank you so much. Precious Meg, I think this is you. Thank you. Yes, thank you so much. We are blood. That is why I always consider I never talk. You all know. That is why I never talk. You all know since all these days. I never mention, I never talk. But today, I never talk. But she have been trying to. They shook me all the time. All the video where she they do. But I never talk. People they call me. The video where she do today now, I never look at. But people they call me. Information they meet me. So, what am I trying to say? I'm not after her. She should not come after me. That is my message to her. When I tell her, say, may she not come after me. Me with her will not be mates. May she not come after me. I don't want problem. I don't want anything. This video what I do today, even though she do 100 video tomorrow, say if she sees this video, una my old blood sisters. So she's not my blood sister. She should go and leave me. I'm a glad to everybody go their way. As far as I say we know the same country, we know the same house. Feed. Me, I dey talk my own for ground because if I don't start now, they say she don't start. May she stay clear from me. Even ma when I your mom. That's why I say she know they pay my house rent. She know they feed me. She no fit control me. Say see person place on where I go. One certain time she first give me condition say ulelona we get ijo yan we to filigo kwa na I say okay o. Yan wa we na mo my so your mo yan mo gbin your fin. I don't know why. I dey respect her since then. Say na my sister. So make she notice say I no sabi talk o. Na that one I make me come out today, can't tell now. Make she not talk say I no sabi talk o. Make she not say me I no get mouth to talk. Yes, I shall not dey there where she dey insult me. Make she not talk say I no sabi talk. Na make me come out today, can't tell and say I sabi talk o. Make she hold on. Make she pack well. Make she just hold on. If naga ewu or dey, make she just hold on. Who know I make it tell her. She fit dey do video every time. She fit dey do video every time. They insult me. So that is not my problem. That's not my business. That's not my problem. Now Monica dey China. Now Monica dey insult her. Make you rest, please. Fred dey go. She not mention my name. You know how many times she dey insult me for her platform. If Fred do meme. Who meme? Who meme? They think say that they say uzuo umeme na be insult. They think say na let that one be insult. When person just they carry your matter, they talk all the time. If person can't talk now, they go say na she first start the saga. Not be you first start the saga. Now you first start the saga. I beg, you don't do. You don't do. What tell me now who was say? Not be waiting her eyes not reach. I beg. Me now they talk matter as it be. And they follow us or go warwao. Unero no live. Lucky, thank you so much. Thank you. Our platform, they write my name for there. They write my name up and down for there. I don't see her. Lucky, thank you. Oh my. Wa here with double abubu. So as Jennifer, may I block you? If you don't know what did happen, may I block you? I don't feel explain give you now. Yes, so now yeki na be their problem. How with the time we yeki they fight me that time, say they come fight for me. Me wa on we yo. They never come fight for me. Yeah, ya ga agbene yo ba. Ya ga agbene yo. Ya ga support. No, they'll come say I be your friend, I be your sister. I beg me and carry na wala they go. Wa here. Wa here oh. Wait I take time God say they not defeat me, I not defeat them. My work ba. Unwejo bonuje me, ama goni here ga vie ba we she want come up for my life oh no. As it be say naughty day like that, everybody go do their own. Yes, they mention my name where for our platform today. Where all those are followers no they talk live for here now. Our platform they say they mention. I don't look the video. I don't want even look now because say how man a Korea. So if she need no problem. I dey here. Ile o, I dey here. She shares the visit where you go visit her mama for Nigeria when she dey deportation camp no reach your mind. My why you go that Nigeria first? Why I go that time? I never know say she dey deportation. No, may I not talk like when me go Nigeria that time. Why I go visit him mama? I don't know whether they don't deport am. I don't know. Ebony Pepper, the information when they build the coin get as a bill. I don't know whether they don't deport at that time. You understand? I don't know. I don't know. Truth. I don't fit talk lie. Say say knowledge. That girl can read minutes or many. I never understand that girl. She dey read many things, and that make me no like her. She dey read minutes of everything. Me say till le gbe ma very only here. When me even go greet her mama that I never even know whether she don dey deportation camp. But the time when they take carry her, me I know the time when they take carry her. I know the time when they take carry her. She call me. She call me that time. I even send her money that time. Where they carry her. She call me say they hold her for somewhere for camp. I send her money. Where they deport Rita, me never even get paper that time. I never even go Nigeria where they deport Rita. I don't get paper. Now I remember. When they deport Rita, I send Rita money where they deport her, but I never go Nigeria. I never even get paper. Now later I can't go Nigeria. I never even say why I go Nigeria. My sister, I go reach her house when she want do party. She invite me. When she want do party, I go her house when she want do party. Finish. Now no reach. Oh, give me, I beg. Ebony Pepper. I don't want me anybody shook hands for my mouth. I don't want talk. I beg. Make she talk anything where she wants. If she not invite me for a party, I shall tell no say she want do party. I beg while I will go why we walk up. I shall tell no say she want do party. Her husband dey there now where she dey talk anyhow now, and her sister still dey there where she dey talk anyhow. Here tie tutana no egwevo. So make them not call her in order. Make she stop. If na true she talk, na lie o. Na she invite me o. I no dey talk lie o. Na she invite me. Person no invite you for party, you just go. Na she invite me. I no dey talk lie. Believe me. Na she invite me. My in-law go dey there where she dey talk all this thing o. He go dey there, go dey look am. Owama. Owama. No say she dey suspect say as me and Monica dey play something dey there, I dey carry her family go dey give Monica all those kind thing. Na she dey suspect. Yemaiga mako kimeberioni. Mejevi na ginya. If una dey do things for social media, men are not talk say people wey know na no dey. Na that one na be the something. And na come dey suspect who know na for house. Na that person go dey talk am. Mo pa ma wa. Egbuwa wa we me. E mo pa wa o. He. Na me know you Richards. Not be everything I know about you. So even though anything I know about you, not be my duty say me I come dey give another person information. No. Not be my duty at all. Me na Vemboji. Not be my duty. So not the feel say na le Felicia know you Richards. People they will know you Richards, eh? So when I stop all these things. Not be let me know you Richards. So people they will know you Richards. So you should stop. Mo pa we so wa. I dey tell una before na come social media come dey do anything. Men I not dey say person don't know you. No na. People know na. People know na where. Beat me. And what time when I get time? They go still call her in order. No say me not get mama again when me want call. Make she call her o. I not get mama where I want call. Make she call her o. I wish she miss the girl mama now. Me ale college me. Veni we college me we gelare. So me not get mama to call. So she fit call her mother. She fit call her mother. Me I not get mama when me want call,
Oh.
Erita, wa ya me vela deva because of mama matter, Ya logo wegbe. You understand? Because now you get mama when you want call for Nigeria. Me not get again. Not be today you started the come. Me and you they talk that day. It's college jevene, time is jevene. All the time now you they talk. So as he big say call her mama. Her mama no fit John and beat me. That one for sure. But make she they call. You go see they call mama wey don't die. Because she always there with me. what did they call you? Come on for here. Yeah. Come on for here. Come on for here. They tell you say they do saga. Come on for here. Et même Monica a gbelu waya. Katam gwa wayo. Et même Monica o han gbuwa. Et même Monica ne waya gbe meba. So obo me han ko hun nu wa o. Ije mo han ti waya mo veyin. Anybody no yi gbe meba be me Monica. Ije mo han ti waya mo veyin mi no je. Ije me o han ti waya mo veyin mi. Anybody no yi gbe meba be me Monica. When I feed him, easy me. Oh, he had to wire move him. I block this idiot. Now the things and viewers are defined. I will block you. No, she know what and I made me they talk before. She know what and so I know come here come they reply her. Okay, let be men here do I reply the live video. She too small when me with her come they fight or it do I reply and to start with she be my sister. So I just want make she hear my voice today say I know they fear her as I be talk. Okay, let be my one here bad do have been on the live video. Truth. I want make she know say make she know dey fear say since all these days I know the answer her say I dey fear her. I know dey fear her. Why am me? Even if one where or tell my man not do agbele live video. So that made me just quiet since then. See, I beg all those video may not they send out for me. May they call that place they commands because they can hear where they done. Or it's aqua where I baby on my soon. Me may call them on the live video then you support every at your bonnet. No, no that one. So problem not day. Hey Bonnie, thank you for the information today. Okay. Anita, see, you say if you call her your sister, why do you always support people fighting her? That is not nice of you. You dey crazy, you dey mad. Uzo. Na me want go dey fight for her. Where did they beat me that time? Why she not come fight for me? Who Thank God say you asked me that question. Where did they beat me that time? Why she not come fight for me? Uzo. Megion Maki ama when another bin and on live video. Megion Maki, the lady say she buy €250. Make the lady go die. I can't force and collect money for her hands. Now business how they do. Tima mo you not big enough hivo. Ebony tell me, what's happen? The lady say I not give her cream. I bet they give me the information correct. They give me the information correct, so make they enter my ear well. Ebony Pepper, they give me the information correct, yeah? Thank you for the good information. Thank you for the good information.